my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I have my Boxy charm unboxing. Now I did open it because I did want to see what I had to put on my face and what I have to try out with you guys today. So I do have my face makeup and all that stuff, and then I will show you guys what I got and then apply whatever I got. So I hope you guys enjoy this box. I'm gonna let you guys know if it's worth it, if it's worth the money that you spend every month for this box, because I feel like they're stepping up their game and I'm definitely loving the products that they are including. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. And yeah, if you guys are excited to see what I got in my Boxy charm, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, love, so let's get into my Boxy charm. So per usual, when you open the box, you do get your little pamphlet. It's the Sea Sun, I think that is what it says. And yeah, right here it shows how much everything is. I will leave a total of how much the entire box is right here. And then yeah, let's just dig in. The first thing is they do give you this limited warranty, I guess, because I did get the flat iron. I am super excited when I saw that they had this on the Instagram, that they were going to be giving away a flat iron in their boxes. I was like, oh my goodness, this is going to be so good to try out. I'm definitely interested because I was looking for a new flat iron. I like my flat iron, but I think I need an update. I've been having it for at least 3 years now, so I think I need a new one. I'm super excited to try this out. Let me just open it up because I am going to try it out with you guys. Even though my hair looks good, but I gotta try it out. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is so good for traveling. Like, oh yes. I'm gonna plug this in and we're gonna try it at the end of the video, so stay tuned to that. And then next we have is this cosmetic, I don't know the name. I'm just gonna show you guys. It's a face mask. I love me some face masks, so I'm gonna show you guys a clip right here of me trying out the mask. And this is a detox activated charcoal mask. This is really good. I definitely love me some mask. If you guys see my drawer, like, I'm full of masks. Like, I love to do it like once a week. I'll probably try to include like 2 masks a week, but I always try to get at least 1 mask because you definitely want to clear your skin and, you know, take out all that gunk from all the makeup that you put on. But this is a $30 mask, so this is good. I can't wait to give you guys my final result and tell you guys how I feel about it, because when I tried it one time, I can't tell you how I feel about it. I think I have to keep trying it so I can tell you guys if I like it or not. So next we have is the Tarte Tarte's shimmering lip paint, and I got mine in the shade Strike Gold, and this is going for $20. So let's open it up and look. Oh, this is pretty. It's a very beautiful gold shade. I definitely probably use this as a lip topper. I don't think I will use this by itself. No, I would definitely use it as a lip topper. So let's try that at the end of the video. Okay, so next we have is a lip pencil, and this is Barely There. This is Body Biography. This is a $12 lip liner. I love the shade. It looks very pretty. Oh, it swatches very nice. I love it. I love me lip liners that are in this shade. Like, I love it. It's so pretty. I can't wait to try that. And then the last thing I got was the Pretty Vulgar powder. This is a translucent powder matte. It's called Matte About It, and this is a $32 product. Oh, I am so excited. I heard so many good things about this. Oh my god, look at this lip. Oh my god, this is so cute. I cannot wait to try this. So you know what, let's just jump into it. I am going to apply concealer and we're going to try out the powder. So let's just jump in to the makeup. Okay, so first things first, I need to pull this hair back away from my face. And then let's jump into concealer. So I didn't apply concealer because I did see that I did have a loose powder. So I'm super excited to try this out. So I'm going to go ahead and conceal with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And I have mine in the shade Natural Beige. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. I'm definitely not doing much today, so I'm not gonna apply tons and tons of concealer because I'm not really going anywhere. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M173 to blend this out. I've been loving this brush. Like, this brush has been my go-to blending out for the concealer. To me, I feel like it just does a good job because it gets in there, like it gets in those little creases, you know. Like, I need that. I need a brush that, you know, can definitely blend, and I'm loving this brush. With that foundation brush. So let's jump into the powder. So let's just take out this sticker, if I can get it out, because I got long nails. I'm dying to cut them. Okay, so let's jump into the powder. So let me grab my Real Technique brush. I'm just gonna shake it. Oop, okay, shake it up and just go in with the powder. Ooh, this is really white, but oh my god, guys, I don't know if you guys noticed in the video, but I was really oily, like right here, because the foundation that I'm using, it gives me that glow. So as soon as I put this powder on, like, this thing made my under eyes very matte. Like, I am loving this. This is such a good powder. I love it. I'm obsessed. Like, this is gonna be my new go-to powder because I'm telling you guys, this powder just made my face matte. This foundation that I'm using the Makeup Revolution stick foundation, and that foundation is really like oily, really glowy. So as soon as I put this powder, that just made me so matte. Like, I'm obsessed. Like, I'm loving it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the face, and then we're gonna jump in to the lip products and the flat iron. So stay tuned. Okay, love, so now we're gonna jump in to the lippies. I know my face is still drying. My face is still drying from the spraying, but I'm just gonna jump in to the lips. So I'm gonna use the lip liner in the shade Barely There. It's a beautiful, like, mauve shade, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. I feel like it's not even showing up. Do I have to warm it up? Maybe, I don't know. I feel like it's not showing up on my lips, but we'll try. I'm gonna go ahead in with the shade Ariel from ColourPop. Because I feel like this is like more of a lip topper than a shade that you just use on your own. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this over the lipstick. It smells like chocolate. Yeah, this is definitely like a lip topper. I mean, if you like to leave it on its own, you could use it, but lip topper, it smells like chocolate. It smells like a chocolate bar. It doesn't bother me. I mean, it does smell like chocolate really strong, but I don't like this. out of the whole box, I don't like the lip liner. I feel like it didn't even show up on my lips. I don't know. But let's move on to the flat iron. I had it heating up while I was doing my makeup. So let's try this out. So let me let my hair down. So usually at night my hair gets really like not crunchy, but it starts to curl up like right here at the ends, because you know, if I'm hot and I'm sweating at night, like my hair gets messed up. So let's just iron those parts right there. Oh, this is so cool. I never had like a miniature iron before, so I'm like so intrigued. This is definitely gonna grab your like baby hairs. Like if you have a lot of baby hairs here, it's gonna grab them and iron them. This is so cool. So cool. And since I am gonna be traveling for Christmas, this is gonna come so in handy. It's gonna come in handy for traveling. I definitely love it. I love the iron. I love the, what was the other thing that I was using? Oh, the fogger. So guys, my final thoughts. I love the powder. I love the iron. I love the lip topper. It's really, really good. So I would definitely use it as a lip topper. I would never use it as on its own, because it does have like sparkles and glitter all over it. So I would definitely not use it on its own. Okay, so yeah, the only thing that I do not like from the box, I think it's the lip liner. I feel like the lip liner did not do anything for me. It didn't show up on my lips. Like, this is a no. Like, I don't like it. Everything else I love. The mask so far, I love it. I'm gonna keep trying it out, let you guys know my final thoughts about it, but I love it so far. Not so bad. The powder, telling you guys, beautiful. It made my face super matte. At least the foundation, it made the foundation matte. And this foundation that I have on is a very dewy foundation, so to convert the foundation very matte is like so surprising to me. But I love it. Like, I am loving it. I love how my skin is. It's not too matte. It's not emphasizing too much of my pores. I'm obsessed. I love everything about it. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing BoxyCharm box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, my loves. Mwah.